If you are a beginner in AWS Cloud and looking to prepare for your first or second AWS Cloud certification, but you are overwhelmed with so many courses and study material available on the internet, then you are at the right place. Hi, I am Vibhor Gupta, an AWS and Microsoft Azure certified cloud professional. I am going to help you identify learning platforms that could solve the purpose of clearing AWS certifications. To prepare for any certification, you need number one, a good course material that will explain everything in an easy and well organized manner. Number two, in depth study of AWS documentation and frequently asked questions. The course will make it easier for you to understand each topic, architecture, and its use. Last one is a good mock test or a practice test. This will help you to simulate a certification exam and verify your knowledge. They will also help you identify your strong and weak areas, which will further help you to streamline your preparation. Do not, I repeat, do not skip this part and always give some sort of mock tests before appearing for the real exam. They are pretty expensive and there is a lot of anxiety for at least a couple of days, and we want to clear them in a single attempt. As a disclaimer, I would say that all the courses and study material available online are good and it totally depends on the needs of an individual. I am not being paid by any training provider, and this analysis is based on my prior experience with AWS Cloud and the research that I have done on the topic since years. The shortlisting criteria for courses and mock tests are overall feedback, their popularity, ratings, and the quality of the course material. I have shortlisted 3 training providers and 2 mock test provider who are best in their own way and will help you clear the AWS certification that you are targeting. All these courses and mock tests are best and I am not going to rank them. So I will be presenting them in alphabetical order. Let's start with courses first. The first training provider that we are going to discuss as per the alphabetical order is a Cloud Guru. They offer some of the awesome courses and they are really popular all over the internet. You may see their name in almost every blog out there to prepare for cloud certifications. They offer courses across vendors on AWS, GCP, DevOps, Terraform, and whatnot. It's something like you name it and they have it. They have many instructors with lots and lots of industry experience across the globe. Recently, they have been acquired by Pluralsight, another learning platform, but it will take a few months for the transition and don't worry, your account will be taken care of as they did during a Cloud Guru and Linux Academy merger. If we click on their plans, if you are looking for a corporate experience, then they are for you. They do have a lot of corporate tie-ups. They do not offer cost per course and Instant has a monthly and a yearly pricing plan or a subscription plan. By paying little extra bucks, you could get full access to their sandbox. They do offer business plan as well. The minimum number of learners should be 2. I could help you a little in choosing a plan here. If you're looking for a single certification, then go for the monthly plan. Whereas if you're determined to clear few certifications in this year, then go with their yearly plan and save approximately 17%. You can experience their courses by clicking on the free trial as they offer 7 days free trial and then you can make a decision. The next on the list in alphabetical order is Adrian Cantrell, a trainer, solution architect, and consultant based out in Brisbane, Australia. This is how his website looks like. We can click on AWS courses to go to the courses, and the link that we have is learn.cantrell.io. So scroll down and you will see all his courses. He mainly offers AWS Associate and professional level courses. He has just started to add specialty level certification courses. His associate level courses somewhere around $40 and his professional level courses cost around $80. He has pretty good bundle for solution architect associate and professional certifications, as well as for all associate certifications that costs somewhere around $100. Whereas if you want to take all 5 courses including 3 associate and 2 professional, then you could look for $200 bundle. So let's click on one of the courses and you can see that what are the benefits. And now you can see some of the details of the course are mentioned over here. And now I will tell you some of the additional benefits that he offers. So you have unconditional money back guarantee within 30 days. So you can experience his course and then you can decide whether you are satisfied or not. Once you purchase any of his course, you will gain full access for lifetime along with regular updates. His courses are not only to pass the certification exam but also to get real world skills and to function at that role. His courses are thorough and has more information than what is required to clear the certification. If you are looking for a bundle of associate level or associate plus professional level course, then I recommend purchasing Adrian's courses. Now the next in the list is Stephen Marek. I hope you remember that these are not rankings and I am just going in the alphabetical order. His courses are available on Udemy. He has almost 39 courses on variety of topics, mainly focusing on AWS and Kafka. All his courses are highly rated and well up to the mark. If you see, so most of them are at 4.7 or 4.6 and most of them are bestsellers as well. And if you watch the number of feedbacks, then you can get how many people have watched his courses. And let's scroll up and see the number of students that he has. Somewhere around 862,000 students have attended his courses. So he is really doing a very good number out there. They are real value for money as Udemy usually offers them on discount and you may find them easily under $10. Right now it's at 14.99 or 19.99 but usually they are available under $10. All platform terms and conditions are applied along with 30 days money back guarantee. If you are looking to clear any associate level certification, then I recommend you to go with Stephen Marek. Now let's move on to the mock tests. Again, starting in alphabetical order, as I am not ranking them, is Tutorials Dojo, a platform by John Bonso. He offers some of the best practice tests. If you will see over here, you can see his practice tests along with a very pretty good feedback and a pretty good numbers. So he almost have 170,000 students. This is just the stats of one platform and he also offers practice tests on his own website, that is tutorialsdojo.com. So if you will go over here, we can see in courses he has all these practice tests. Apart from that, he also has some other training material. You could also refer to his website for cheat sheets. These are the quick guide to revise your knowledge on any topic. So just for example, I will open one cheat sheet for you. So you can see that he has mentioned point by point about each topic. So it becomes very easy to learn about that topic and to build your knowledge. Now the second practice test that we have is Viz Labs. They offer practice tests for a variety of topics. If we see over here, so you can see what all topics they have. Let's go to cloud computing. We can search them by the vendor as well. So they do have a course material as well as practice test which is under $10 and some free question just to experience their platform. So this is it from my side. I hope that this video will help you to identify best resource to prepare for your certification exam. The 3 things that you need to remember is choose a best course, study AWS documentation and take a mock test to see where you stand or to verify your knowledge. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.